Revolutionizing data management. Introducing NeuroCloud. The current challenge. Consider the current state of cloud storage. It's passive, often cumbersome, and doesn't truly understand your needs. It's not just about storing data anymore, it's about making that data actively work for you. In an age where digital information flows incessantly, the conventional methods of managing, securing, and interacting with data are becoming obsolete. Today, I'm excited to introduce NeuroCloud, a pioneering cloud storage solution that transcends traditional boundaries by merging robust, adaptive technology with cutting-edge brain-computer interface (BCI) capabilities. This fusion not only enhances data security and user interaction but also reshapes how we think about and engage with the digital world. The genesis of NeuroCloud. The digital landscape is riddled with challenges ranging from data breaches and insufficient storage solutions to the inefficiency of data management systems that fail to understand user behavior and needs. NeuroCloud was conceived to address these issues by harnessing the power of advanced artificial intelligence, decentralized storage, and neural interface technology, creating a seamless, intuitive, and highly secure ecosystem. Core features of NeuroCloud. Adaptive Neural Integrated Storage. NeuroCloud uses neural interface technology to allow users to interact with their digital storage directly through thought. This means uploading, accessing, and organizing data without the need for conventional hardware interfaces, offering unparalleled ease of use and efficiency. Direct neural interaction. Thought-based file management utilizes BCI technology to allow users to upload, organize, and retrieve files using neural commands, eliminating the need for traditional input devices. Memory augmentation enables users to store and access personal notes or reminders directly through neural interfaces, enhancing cognitive capabilities. Decentralized, quantum-secure architecture. Data security is paramount. NeuroCloud employs a decentralized storage system enhanced with quantum encryption techniques, making it virtually impregnable to conventional cyber threats. This architecture not only protects against external breaches but also ensures that the integrity of data is maintained across multiple nodes, mitigating the risks associated with centralized data centers. Behavior-based customization and security. Leveraging AI and machine learning, NeuroCloud adapts to user behavior and preferences to organize data more intelligently. Cognitive enhancement tools. Beyond mere data storage, NeuroCloud enhances cognitive capabilities by allowing users to store, retrieve, and manage memory-intensive information such as notes, reminders, and complex intellectual content directly through neural commands. This feature not only increases mental productivity but also aids in cognitive load management, promoting mental wellness. Environmental and health monitoring. Recognizing the holistic connection between environment, health, and productivity, NeuroCloud integrates sensors that monitor environmental conditions and user health metrics. This data influences how the system manages workload and data accessibility, ensuring optimal performance tailored to the user's physical and mental state. Additionally, it uses neural biometric authentication, where access is granted based on unique brainwave patterns, providing a security level that is incredibly personalized and difficult to compromise. In a world where digital security is paramount, NeuroCloud introduces revolutionary security measures that redefine safety in data management. By leveraging neural biometric authentication, NeuroCloud offers unparalleled protection. This feature utilizes unique brainwave patterns for secure access, creating a personalized security protocol that is virtually impossible to replicate or breach, ensuring that only authorized users can access sensitive information. Furthermore, our system is equipped with real-time threat detection capabilities that monitor subtle neural signals for stress or anxiety indicators. This sensitive detection allows NeuroCloud to identify potential unauthorized access attempts almost instantaneously, enabling the system to trigger swift and decisive security protocols to protect user data effectively. These advanced measures not only secure data but also provide peace of mind, knowing that both access and threat response are managed with cutting-edge precision and responsiveness. As we embark on transforming the landscape of cloud storage with NeuroCloud, it is imperative that our innovations are not achieved at the expense of our planet. Sustainability is at the core of our mission, and we are committed to setting a new standard for the industry. Our data centers, the backbone of NeuroCloud, are designed to lead by example in environmental responsibility. We envision data centers powered entirely by renewable energy sources such as solar and wind. By integrating advanced energy storage solutions and smart grid technologies, we ensure that our operations maximize energy efficiency and minimize carbon footprints. This commitment extends beyond just using green energy. It encompasses a holistic approach to sustainability, including the use of energy-efficient cooling technologies and the adoption of best practices in environmental management. At NeuroCloud, we're not just innovating for today, we're building sustainable solutions that support both our digital future and the health of our planet. At the heart of NeuroCloud's innovation is a feature that transforms how we preserve and cherish our digital memories. Our built-in interactive memory preservation tools turn the routine task of data storage into an opportunity to create lasting, meaningful treasures from what might otherwise be digital clutter. Users can establish memory vaults, which allow for the organization of files into dynamic, interactive experiences such as digital scrapbooks or immersive 3D timelines. Additionally, our voice and video journaling feature automatically syncs voicemails, videos, and images into cohesive storyboards that capture the essence of personal experiences and narratives. For even greater personal value, Shared Moments enables collaborative sharing, allowing family and friends to contribute to these memory vaults, enriching them with diverse perspectives and memories. An illustrative use case would be a parent uploading their child's artwork, school photos, and important milestones into a curated timeline, which can then be experienced as an interactive 3D journey through the child's development. This approach not only preserves memories but also enhances the emotional connection to them, making it easy and enjoyable to revisit and share life's precious moments. From concept to reality, the development and future of NeuroCloud. The development of NeuroCloud involves rigorous testing and refinement, with prototypes currently being evaluated in controlled environments. Our collaboration with neurotechnology experts and data security specialists is pivotal in ensuring that the platform is not only effective but also safe for widespread use. Looking ahead, the potential applications of NeuroCloud are vast. From revolutionizing how businesses manage big data to transforming individual digital interactions, our vision is expansive. We anticipate a future where our technology will facilitate a new era of digital intelligence, seamlessly integrated into daily life. NeuroCloud is more than just a technological advancement, it is a paradigm shift in how we perceive and interact with our digital environment. By combining the security and adaptability of advanced cloud storage with the intuitive, user-centered interface of brain-computer interfaces, we are not just evolving, we are revolutionizing the very fabric of digital data management. Thank you for embarking on this exciting journey with us. The future of cloud storage isn't just about storing data, it's about enhancing human capabilities and fundamentally changing our interaction with the digital universe.